Hello everybody, welcome back to 2 Tech Explorers, the channel where we explore latest developments in technology. In this video, we will discuss about autonomous weapons in artificial intelligence, AI, and safety implications related to it. Autonomous weapons, also known as lethal autonomous weapons systems, LAWS, or killer robots, are weapons that have the ability to select and engage targets without human intervention. These weapons leverage artificial intelligence, AI, technologies, including machine learning and computer vision, to autonomously identify and attack targets. While autonomous weapons have the potential to revolutionize warfare, there are significant safety issues and implications associated with their development and deployment. Here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Lack of human control. The main concern with autonomous weapons is the potential absence of meaningful human control over the use of force. Without human intervention in the decision-making process, there is a risk of misidentification of targets, indiscriminate attacks, or the inability to comply with ethical and legal rules of engagement. 2. Safety and reliability. Autonomous weapons rely on AI algorithms, which are trained on large datasets and can exhibit limitations and biases. There is a risk of system errors, malfunctions, or vulnerabilities that could lead to unintended harm, including the targeting of civilians or friendly forces. Ensuring the safety, reliability, and robustness of these weapons is a critical challenge. 3. Ethical considerations. The deployment of autonomous weapons raises ethical questions about the accountability and moral responsibility for their actions. The lack of human decision-making can make it difficult to fix accountability and understand the reasoning behind the use of force. This raises concerns about the violation of humanitarian laws, human rights, and the principle of proportionality. 4. Escalation of conflict. Use of autonomous weapons could potentially lead to an escalation of conflict. The speed and efficiency with which these weapons can operate may reduce the time available for diplomacy, negotiation, or de-escalation efforts. The absence of human decision-making and the potential for rapid, automated responses could exacerbate tensions and increase the risk of unintended consequences. 5. Proliferation and arms race. The development and deployment of autonomous weapons can lead to an arms race, as countries strive to gain a military advantage. This can result in the rapid proliferation of these technologies, making it challenging to establish international norms, regulations, and agreements to govern their use. 6. Ethical and legal frameworks. The existing legal frameworks, such as the Geneva Conventions, were primarily designed to regulate human-controlled weapons. The emergence of such weapons poses challenges for adapting these frameworks to address the unique risks associated with these systems. Developing appropriate ethical and legal guidelines to govern the use of autonomous weapons is essential. To address these safety issues and implications, there have been calls for international discussions, agreements, and treaties to establish meaningful human control over autonomous weapons. Organizations, researchers, and policymakers are actively exploring concepts like human-in-the-loop or human-on-the-loop approaches, where human judgment and decision-making remain integral to the use of force. The development and deployment of autonomous weapons require careful consideration of the ethical, legal, safety, and humanitarian implications. To ensure that these technologies are used in a manner consistent with international standards, human rights, and the principles of proportionality and accountability. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. We request you to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Also, please enable the bell button to get notifications about our latest videos on technology. Thank you.